Well, as it would turn out to be, you know, if you profess yourself to say that you have a job shop, with that in mind, you just tackle the next job that comes in, and that being an associated. It says it on the tag right there. Our cool stuff. But it's not. But in the meantime of getting it from the auction sale, at some point in its life, recent, it's a fresh break right there on that rocker arm thing right there. That rocker arm would sit on there like that. So we'll have to braze that together. So right in there, I'm just gonna leave that for that can be the question for today here on my channel is how would you fix that? The thing broke off right there. Like right there. So you know, how would you repair that? Leave it in a comment down there, and I'm gonna get it over there on the workbench. And you know, I think best way to go about that's to braze it. So well, I'm gonna leave it up to now. How would you weld that? How would you attach that rocker back onto that pedestal that's cast into the head? Oh yeah, wait just a minute. I forgot to tell you about this right here. That's the valves. We'll have to see them valves somewhere. What you gonna do now, mechanic? Leave a comment. Auction sale. I bought another Harley Davidson. Sneak peek. You know, just kind of looking at it, I think it'll buff out. What I'm talking about. And already to the next day. Oh, it's the next day. Auction sale was yesterday online. On the site there, it was a struggle to get it up and down a hill there, but got her home. And just saying, I think it'll buff out. Gonna need a couple parts, but not many, I don't think. That's what kind it is right there. Decals long gone. Said Harley Davidson up there, and that's old arched up type lettering. Pretty complete bike. You know, just another project on the other side of the building. But a true survivor in all senses of the matter. Even the original factory rubber enclosed top and bottom. You know, that's the way they did it back in the day. Question would be, what are you working on today? Another project for that other side of the shop. Was an auction sale. Well, one day passed. We need to get a couple parts in. I pump them tires up. They're about half flat. Fish tail muffler, straight pipes both sides, no muffler. That's what I'm talking about. Now we'll get a couple new spark plugs in there and charge that battery up. As to be scanning the, you know, condition, I noticed that been overloaded at one time. Then I already bent that shock there. Man, must have had a load on it. It's one of them old 80 cubic inch engines. I rode one of them out to Sturgis a few years past. Same bike, rode it down Daytona a couple of years. They'll make a trip. It was a snapshot there. I was just thinking, what's it gonna look like when I get some of that foaming? I'm gonna get some of that foaming soap, and I'm gonna have at that. I'm gonna have at that motorcycle with that foaming soap and a soft bristle brush. We'll see what it looks like later.